Ka office jong district tuberculosis officer NTEP Bhoi ringkat bat kajinge trelang bat ka office u district medical and health officer Bhoi kila penlong ye kajing Rakhe ye khun persha ye kajing pang tuberculosis ne ka TB ya ka bala tip ha ka tin nongway kum ka World Tuberculosis Day ka bala long ha ka arp sautrik ulber ar hajar ar paulai ha science hall kapang pedeng jong ka World Tuberculosis Day ar hajar ar paulai ka long yes we can end TB lani ha ka tin tenrai ka bamun hooj ngila ban dekhat no ye ka jingpang TB Laya poi ban shimbantalang hakate ka program do Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi u Arpit Upadhya kumukongsan u Dr. P. Kharnari DMNHO ka Bhoi Dr. E. Kalwing District Tuberculosis Officer kong PL Nonglai DSEO Bhoi District lembat kiwe lai shimbantalang ru da kinong tray asha ki khna school jong ki school baper la samru ki khusnam shkinong job ki balai shimbanta ha ki jingye ko baper bala penlong da kate ketnan kumju la pen ko buramru ikinong tray jong ka koit ka khia
kamut habal visit ladeng nong pang tibi kamut ru habal bitlot pi hiar ka jingkia pide nong pang tibi but what to do to make sure whether are you a TB patient or not, you have to go to the doctor, let the doctor, not to the pharmacy and buy one paracetamol or ibuprofen or this and that and take the tablet by yourself. Or I may say self-medication. This is very dangerous. So, to eradicate this type of disease, we have to go to the doctor and remember, do away with self-medication. This is very important for you and for me and especially for the school-going children.
They don't practice of what we do. What we practice here in the villages, you'll see most of a father will carry a child right behind and he will be smoking. And that's already make the child a passive smoker, later on which develop into many kind of respiratory tract infection and even later on to such a dreadful disease like you say, tuberculosis. So that way it might spread even to the pregnant woman if they are all smoking in one room. In the village it happened like that. I've seen the people, the elder, they'll be smoking. Right inside the room, they already smoke. And they are the passive inhaler. So become a passive smoker. Even the grown-up also will be affected.
By 2025, which is 5 years ahead of the global target of elimination of TB. So today then we are celebrating because on this day when the bacterium for tuberculosis was identified and finally we could have a cure. But however, all this requires a lot of participation from the community, from all the members of the society for elimination of the whole this menace of tuberculosis. Beginning with this, I would like to welcome participation in the program, and by continuing with this, we will be able to eliminate from not just from the Bhoi district, but from the whole of Meghalaya and India also.